Hey guys, I thought I might take you on a workshop tour, seeing how it's reasonably tidy at the moment. We'll have a look around. Excuse the fact that I sound like I'm dying, I've got a bit of a cold, but we'll work with that. Anyway, flick the camera around, we'll have a look around. So first of all, this is my welding area, my welding bench. There is 2 tyre hammers and a inline treadle hammer that I'm building. And then this is the workshop. So I've got the fly press there. Bit of stuff hanging on the pegboard on the back there. The induction heater. My main anvil at the moment, which will be getting replaced with that beautiful anvil down there. I've also got this little anvil, little BSL on a metal stand. Hopefully I'm not going too fast. There's my Anyang 25-ton forging press. And there's a whole bunch of different dies that I've made for it back there on the wall in a rack. And a few other bits of tooling on those shelves there, different bolsters and bits and pieces. And then I've got the main bench at the back, always covered in stuff, but anyway. On the pegboard there's a couple of different jigs up there. There's some work in progress stuff down there. Lots of clamps. You can never have too many clamps. Files. A couple of award-winning sculptures down there on the bench, getting dusty. Some more jigs. Under the bench I've got my hammer rack, which pulls out. Lots of custom made hammers from different smiths. Also got a few drawers under there. I've got my striking anvil with a swage block on it there. I've got my main vise, which has also got a little horizontal secondary vise beside it, which is very handy. And then there's a few twisting wrenches and things around the bottom of it. Steel in the corner. Lots of different lengths of the basic steel for doing pokers and hooks and things. A bunch more tooling down in there. Shelves full of assorted junk, but useful stuff. My little Oxy LPG setup, my LPG forge and tong rack. That's on wheels so I can move it around the workshop. Stainless steel quench bucket. Very important. Drinks fridge, oven, 3 different bench grinders with different stuff on them. Those ones in that rack at the top there slide into the side of this stand, and grinders hanging up there. My 84 engineering belt grinder and belts. And that's pretty much it. Oh, my swage block. And a few roses that have just been clear coated. And that's basically a tour of my workshop. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll just do a quick pan around without making you too dizzy. And then we'll call it a video. Oh, there's a telly up there too. And a bit of sound deadening on the tin to try and reduce the echo in here. There we go.